Hi, I'm Preeti Puram. I'm in FMS Delhi and I'm a second year student.
Okay, hi Preeti. Tell me what is your style statement? Like, what do you wear, carry, and
If you're talking about brands, I'm pretty brand conscious. When it comes to jeans, I prefer Wrangler or Pepe. When it comes to shoes, I generally prefer Converse or Puma. And then when it comes to gadgets, I have always been a fan of Sony Ericsson and Motorola too at one point of time. But nowadays, I'm trying to shift into Nokia. Let's see how that works out.
okay? How do you communicate with your friends? Like SMS, WhatsApp, Viber, Facebook,
Mostly
Twitter.
I call because I think that calling gives me better responses. It's easier to have them responding. Otherwise, I message. And there was a point when I was using WhatsApp, but then my phone did not agree very well with it, so I had to remove it. And otherwise, on the net, I talk to them on Gtalk or I'm in touch with them on Facebook.
Okay, what phone do you have, and what do you do with your phone?
Okay, I have a Sony Ericsson smartphone. What I do generally, I mostly use it for calling and messaging. Otherwise, I use it for mails, checking my mails, and for surfing the net to check a few links. Otherwise, I even use it to, like read up on my presentations before I go and present it, or I even look up a few books.
Okay, you said internet. So, what do you do on internet?
Internet mostly it's checking the mails. Otherwise surfing like general surfing, like if you want to find out about something on Google, you want to find out what is happening, particular news maybe if something has happened, maybe I would look that up and see what has happened. So that is what I do. I use a lot of news apps.
Okay, and how do you access the internet? Like mobile, laptop?
Mostly laptop when I have it. Otherwise mobile because it's much more convenient to carry around.
Okay, and what connection do you have?
For my laptop, I have a Wi-Fi connection, and
Okay.
for my mobile, if a Wi-Fi connection is available, yes. Otherwise, I have the 2G thing. I still haven't migrated to 3G. 2G is working just fine right now.
Okay, please tell me what social networking sites do you visit?
Okay, Facebook is one thing I visit pretty regularly. Twitter once in a while. These are the main. Otherwise, there was a Google Plus page, but which never really caught on with me. Pinterest and all, it's just once in a while, not really much into them.
Okay, and what else do you do for entertainment?
Watch movies, roam about in Delhi, read books, play once in a while.
Read. Do you read newspaper?
Yes, I do read newspaper.
And which one?
Right now I'm reading Times of India because it's got all the gossip. Otherwise, during like if there are placements around the corner or if I have to prepare for something, I generally use the financial newspapers like Financial Express or the Economic Times or the Business Standard.
Okay, you read them online or you prefer the paper?
One paper I get it in a hard copy because it's good and nice to have a feel of it. You can finish the entire paper and get over with it. But otherwise, if I have to check the same news, say check the same version, check the different versions of the same news, then I use the net.
Okay.
It's much more convenient.
And do you watch TV?
Yes.
Which channels?
Mostly it's music because I generally use it to check out the latest movies that are coming. Sometimes if something really interesting is happening, then the news channels. Otherwise, not
Okay.
much of them.
And do you watch news channels? And if yes, then what channels actually?
News channels, NDTV, CNBC, then Ashtak, HT, that headlines today.
Okay, and do you prefer like video streaming of this news channel?
If there has been a program which I was not able to catch on the TV, then definitely I would use it. Otherwise, as such, to get my news, I would use my newspapers. I'm not.
I mean, live streaming videos.
Live streaming videos, if something interesting is happening, like somebody's told me that you should go check it out, then maybe I would. Like mostly these recommendations are on Facebook or personal, like somebody pings me the link. So that is how I
Okay.
would do it.
So, what kind of video do you watch online?
What kind of videos? Mostly it's songs. Right, it's songs and videos of songs. And then if there is something interesting like what happened with Russia, the meteor coming and the guy jumping off the space and stuff like that. If there are such videos, then I definitely would watch. News, if there is something is happening and somebody recommends it to me, then maybe yes.
And where do you watch? Mobile, laptop?
Mostly on my laptop because it's got a bigger screen. And mobile, it's not really fast at times. So if I'm on the move, then maybe the mobile. Otherwise, the laptop.
Okay, any sites you prefer?
For the news,
Yes.
generally they give some.
Like online streaming or something.
I mean, NDTV I've checked out, CNBC again. All these the same channels which I watch on the TV. These were the ones I've generally used. Otherwise, it's YouTube for any other thing.
Okay, and which all language do you know?
I know English, I know Hindi and Telugu.
Okay, and which one do you read or write?
All three.
All three. Okay, do you read any of these online?
No, only English.
Only English. Any watch in any of these online?
I can watch if it's a
I mean,
song.
do you watch?
Yeah, I mean, if it's a song or something, I won't really go for news in Hindi or Telugu for that matter. I would prefer English.
Okay. Thank you, Preeti, for your
Yeah,
time.
sure.